watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello! Today, we're exploring how to make the most of small living rooms with thoughtful design and a few creative ideas. Even the tiniest spaces can be stylish and functional. Let's dive into some practical tips and tricks for optimizing your living area. Layout strategies. The layout is the foundation of any good design. Start by selecting furniture that fits well within your space. Create a focal point, like a TV or a window, and arrange your seating around it. Use rugs to define different areas, which helps establish distinct zones without using physical barriers. Storage solutions. Effective storage is key to maximizing a small living room. Choose multifunctional furniture such as ottomans with hidden compartments or coffee tables with drawers. Floating shelves and wall-mounted units save floor space and draw the eye upward, creating a sense of height and openness. Decluttering essentials. A clutter-free space feels more open and organized. Regularly sort through your belongings and keep only what's necessary. Opt for furniture with built-in storage to hide away items when they're not in use, maintaining a clean and tidy environment. Choosing a color scheme. Stick to a monochromatic or neutral palette to create a cohesive and spacious feel. Using various shades of a single color can add depth and unity. Light colors for walls and darker hues for furniture or accents can balance the look. Textures and materials. Incorporate a mix of textures to add character without overwhelming the space. Soft fabrics like velvet or wool for sofas and chairs, combined with smooth metals or glossy ceramics for accents, create a visually interesting yet relaxed atmosphere. Picking the right pieces. Look for furniture that serves multiple purposes. An ottoman that doubles as a coffee table or additional seating is a great choice. Opt for an armchair with built-in storage to maximize functionality. Space-saving furniture. Multifunctional furniture is a lifesaver in small spaces. A pouf can act as a footrest, seat, or side table. Upper-lip furniture, such as ghost chairs, can make the room appear larger by providing a minimal visual footprint. A storage trunk can serve as a unique focal point while keeping clutter at bay. Using light to enhance space. Natural light is crucial for making a small room feel larger. Use sheer curtains to let in more light and place mirrors opposite windows to reflect light throughout the space. Consider installing larger windows or skylights if possible. Creating focal points. Lighting can serve as both a functional element and a visual centerpiece. A pendant light or chandelier can draw attention and anchor the room. Choose fixtures that complement your overall design while providing ample illumination. Decor that defines. Decorate with purpose by adding pieces that set the tone for your living room. A well-placed rug can define the seating area and add warmth. Cushions and throws in various textures and colors can enhance comfort and style. Artwork. Personalize your walls with artwork and photographs. A gallery wall can tell a story and add visual interest without taking up floor space. Mix and match frames and art pieces to create a cohesive yet dynamic display. Seating and lounging. Select comfortable seating that fits your space. An L-shaped sectional can provide ample seating while fitting snugly into a corner. Pair it with an armchair angled towards the sectional to create an intimate setting. An ottoman with storage can serve multiple purposes. Dining and entertaining. Incorporate a space-saving dining table that doubles for dining and entertaining. A round table can be more efficient and encourage a cozy gathering. Look for extendable tables and stackable chairs to accommodate guests without overcrowding the room. Corners and alcoves. Don't let corners and alcoves go to waste. Install floating shelves or create a reading nook with a comfy chair and floor lamp. Use built-in shelves or cabinets in alcoves to maximize storage and functionality. Accentuating high ceilings. If you have high ceilings, use long curtains hung just below the ceiling line to make the room feel taller. Tall, slim bookcases and vertical lines in decor can also draw the eye upward, enhancing the sense of height. Calming color themes. A calm color palette creates a serene ambience. Stick to soft, neutral colors with a few accent hues to add depth without overwhelming the space. Inviting textures. Layering textures adds warmth and comfort. Use plush cushions, soft throws, and woven rugs to create a cozy environment. Optical illusions with furniture. Choose furniture proportional to your room size to maintain balance. A sofa with slim legs can make the space appear larger by showing more floor area. Mirrors strategically placed can make the room feel more spacious. Strategic decor placement. Use wall space effectively by creating a gallery wall with artwork and photos. Bold accessories should be used sparingly to avoid clutter while still creating focal points. Shelving and display. Floating shelves and wall-mounted units are ideal for small living rooms. Place them above the sofa or in corners to keep the floor clear and maintain an airy feel. Textile choices. Select textiles that add warmth and comfort. Use a statement rug to anchor the room and mix cushions with different patterns and textures for an eclectic vibe. Flexible furnishing. Opt for furniture that can be moved around or tucked away easily. Ottomans with storage are perfect for small spaces, providing extra seating and hiding clutter. With these creative ideas and practical solutions, you can transform your small living room into a stylish and functional space. Remember, it's all about making smart choices and maximizing every inch. Happy decorating!